Soccer DBB number 341, and that's 2016 Topps Premier Gold. One box break. Teams on the right. Good luck, guys. After this, we're doing another showcase 10 box break. Last one was pretty good. Mike, du kannst eine kaufen von 2015, habe ich noch 2, glaube ich. Dann hast du zumindest schon mal eine. Oder 2. Oder 3. Alright guys, good luck. Here we go. First up, the jersey. Hope it's a patch now. Ooh, we got a purple. Purple to 50. 50 out of 50. Come on, Hector. Bellerin, don't let me down. It is. Branislav Ivanovic. Piece of the logo, I think it is. Chelsea. And Davor. Alright, here we go. We have Liverpool. We got Eric Bailly for menu and numbered autograph. No, it is Kevin De Bruyne, 299 for City. And we got Zlatan for menu. Silver is Origi for Liverpool. Got Hull City Stadium. I still need 2 autographs, right? Let's see, come on, give us something nice in this one. N'Golo Kante. Chelsea again, Chelsea box so far. And now to Davor. And grab some new top loaders quick. And we got Batshuayi for Dortmund. Woohoo! He scored today, right? 2 times? What I heard so far. Not bad. We got Benteke for Palace. We got West Brom Stadium. Alright, last stack. We got a purple. And that is Divock Origi. That's Daniel Sturridge. Sorry, Daniel Sturridge, 25 out of 25 for Liverpool. And Guy, nice one. Liverpool hitting a lot lately, right? Got Watford. Tadic. And that does it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.